Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to trying to explain you that what is Amazon AWS web services. Now Amazon AWS is web service is one of the most popular web services provider in the world. I think you already know about the Amazon.com. It's the biggest e-commerce platform, so their web services is it. And they are just providing lot of high quality web services for growing your business or running your blog, newspaper, SaaS or apps, any kind of tools you want to run, they have the service. The most interesting part of this video is that you can get absolutely free everything of this Amazon web services, and this is really interesting, and I'll show you each and everything that how exactly you can get this, and I'll try to explain it which services works better and which service is works pretty fast for us and which service is important to run your businesses. So without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so as you can see here, I have my dashboard here, and as you can see I have my console here, and I have a few services there I already using it, and also you can see I have a different kind of services, something like a certificate manager, CloudFront, EC2, and a lot of other services that I personally use it for my businesses, and it's really working pretty much well. So as you can see, I have certificate manager for my website SSL. I use CloudFront for my CDN or for my website, and also I use EC2 for running my web server, which is absolutely fantastic. I think you already know about this, but actually if you comes from building a website or building a web server, then I think you already understand what I'm talking about. But actually you can get also support. Here you can see I got the premium support here, and I have the route 53. That means you can register the domain limited quantity of domains from the Amazon AWS for free, which is absolutely fantastic, and I can say this is the real opportunity to grow your business. So the reason why I just creating this video, because these services are you can use the super cheap, and actually you can utilize it pretty better. But the most amazing part of this video is you can absolutely getting this service for free without any kind of payment. Something like if you want to use a EC2 instance, or something like you want to use a web server or a VPS, or even you need a certificate manager, that means the SSL certificate, then you have to pay something like a big amount of money to any other provider that you want to use. But actually in Amazon you don't have to pay anything. But how? There's a two way that you can get this. One is that you can create a trial account and use their services as a trial, and two, that you can get their AWS activated credit as an entrepreneur or a new company or new startup company. But this is the other things that I'll show you another video tomorrow, that how exactly you can get the biggest amount of credit for 2 or 3 years and run all of your business into the same place without any kind of payment, without any kind of cost. Actually this is completely free. But another one you can use it is you can use it a trial account actually, and this is really working pretty best. So I'm just going to show you that how exactly it's work. This is the basic a walkthrough that I'm going to run into my dashboard here. I'm not going to explain you that any services here right now. So as you can see here, I have my certificate manager, I have my CloudFront here, I have my EC2 here, I have a support, and I have the route 53. So as you can see here, I have my certificate manager here, and also alright my friends, so let me describe each and every service to you guys so you can understand that what is actually stand for. So let's get to the computer screen. So as you can see here, the certificate manager is stand for the SSL. That means if you comes to the website design, then you will understand that what is SSL stand for. SSL is secure socket layer certificate. That means you need if you run a website, then you must need a SSL. The CloudFront is for CDN, that means content delivery network. If you want to make your website, your apps, your SaaS business, or whatever you want, so something like you have a newspaper and you want to make it super fast, then you need CDN must. And the third thing is that EC2 is one of the most popular things in the world, because it's actually the server, the backbone of the web server. If you want to run a dedicated web server, then you need actually the EC2, that means Elastic Compute Cloud. Support is the support is that Amazon web services support staff is just providing me different kind of support here. Route 53 is one of the most popular things. You can use it for domain registration, domain moving, or domain transfer. It works all kind of domain related things. Lightsail is another type of website server that you can directly install the WordPress here, and also you can use it for your website. And also the IME is the role type of things, and there is a bunch of service that I have used that I don't even know that how it works. So guys, this is for it now, and I'll show you the another video very soon. Tomorrow I'll explain you that how exactly you can get the services for free without any kind of cost. Actually, you don't need to pay anything for these services. So till then, I'll see you in the next one.